Are you tired of fiddling with finicky projectors? Meet the Electric Focus 4K Mini Projector by JOWLURK, a portable powerhouse that's bringing big screen entertainment directly to your home or backyard. Stay tuned as we dive into its features to see if it truly lives up to the buzz. Hey everyone, it's Brian from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're exploring the Electric Focus 4K Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. This gadget promises a cinema-like experience in a compact package. Let's find out if it's the right fit for your home theater needs. Effortless Electric Focus. This projector eliminates the fuss of manual adjustments with its electric focusing technology, allowing you to get a crisp image in mere seconds using the remote. Stunning 4K support. With native 1080p resolution and support for 4K, it offers incredible clarity and vibrant details, making your movie nights truly immersive. Wireless connectivity, equipped with 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi, along with Bluetooth 5.3, it provides seamless connectivity to your devices without the clutter of cables. Portability and big screen experience. Its small size doesn't compromise on the ability to project up to a 200-inch image, transforming any space into a personal theater. Limited keystone correction. Despite having keystone correction, it lacks advanced features, which means you'll need to be precise with its placement. Speaker quality. Although upgraded, the built-in speakers may not provide deep bass or high volume needed for a more cinematic experience. Brightness in daylight. The 15,000 lumens might not be as visible in brighter environments, so using it in a dim room or at night is recommended. Image alignment. Achieving perfect image alignment can be tricky on uneven surfaces, so ensure a flat, stable setup for best results. In conclusion, the JOWLURK Electric Focus 4K Mini Projector offers excellent value with its high-resolution support and ease of connectivity. It's ideal for those looking to create a versatile theater experience without being tied down by complex setup or cables. However, if you're planning on using this projector in very bright conditions or want more robust audio directly from the device, it might fall short. For those aiming for flexibility and ease of use for movie nights, this is a solid choice. Check out the links on screen and in the description for best prices, and thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like and share to help others find this channel.